Welcome to a short demonstration on Highway Data Systems' Digital Laying Record Portal. Creating a job on Gateway. Click on Manage Jobs. Click on eLoad Jobs. Then click on Add Entry to Jobs. From here, you can then enter the details of the job, including the name, job number, and the area it is situated in. Once you have filled this in, press the Submit button and then confirm your entry. The job will now appear on the table and can now be used on eLoad out on site. eLoad app. After logging in using your credentials, enter the PIN code you set up. You will now be presented with the job list that is associated with the area you are assigned to. Select the job that you are on. You will now see a list of trucks that have left the weighbridge. Once the truck has started tipping, select the corresponding registration plate. You can now enter the lane, layer, depth, start chainage, and end chainage. If you don't have a full EVO system, you can also enter discharge and rolling temperatures manually at this stage. Press the Submit button once everything has been filled in. Add a missing load. On some occasions, a truck might not appear on the system. In this instance, you can add it manually. You can do this by pressing the Add Load button. Then, you will need to add the registration plate and the tonnage. Press the Submit button. The manually entered load will now appear on the list of loads that you can then discharge as normal. Edit a load. If you have entered something incorrectly, it is very simple to go back and change your mistake. To do this, simply press the Edit button. You will now see a list of loads that you have discharged during the shift. Simply select the one you wish to edit. Once you have fixed your mistake, press the Submit button. Part loads. If there is an instance where you are only laying a part of a load, you can use the part load slider bar to adjust the amount. This is done in 5-ton increments, so it is simple to use. Enter all the relevant laying information and press the Submit button. The amount you have selected will now be discharged, with the remainder now appearing back on the list of trucks to be used elsewhere. Adding comments. To add a specific comment to a load, press the Comment button. From here, you can then select the truck you wish to add a comment to. And press the Submit button. Removing an unwanted load. To remove a load from the list, select the one you would like to remove. Then press the Reject button. The load will no longer be on the list. Producing the final laying record on Gateway. On the eLoad dashboard, select E-Ticket Report. You will now have a series of drop-down menus to select the job name, job number, and the start and end time of the shift you want to produce a record for. Press the Load Data button to generate the record. You will now be presented with a map of where the loads were laid, material transit time, paving and rolling temperatures, climate information, and the laying record table. Correcting mistakes. You can edit the laying record table by clicking the Edit Table button. Data in the yellow-colored cells can be edited. Press the Submit button when you are happy with the changes. This will then update the record database. Printing the report as a PDF. Click the Print Report button at the top right of the screen. There are two options for PDF size, A4 European size or USA letter size. Input the name you are going to give the file, then press print. The PDF file will now be saved on your computer.